Good morning, folks. How's it going? I forgot to film something yesterday. We had a special auction over at the Mercer Livestock Auction near the house, and it was sheep and goats. Well, that calls to us. I'll show you what we got. You can see we got a mat. We got a. Boy, I'm really messing up this morning. I'm not awake yet. A Dapple boar Billy, and a couple tricolors. These are boar mixes. They're supposedly yearlings. I put them a little bit younger. That male's a little bit younger. Probably put them about 9 to 10 months. They come from Minnesota, so it's new bloodlines, nothing nearby. But I'll put a picture in of a different Dapple that sold. But yeah, they had 200 plus goats and sheep. They had some huge Katahdin rams. I mean, I think they weighed in at 202 pounds or 180 pounds. I hope this line's off. Yeah, it's off. I gotta fix it a little bit tighter. But yeah, it was, oh geez. But yeah, it was a long day for a short period of time that we were there. They had a 180 pound Dapple boar goat, same color as the one we got, probably the father of that one. And there was another one. I bid on the big one, and I stopped. He went for like 410. I probably should have bought him because he was immaculate, full size, done growing, pretty much. Yeah, I could have used him for studding out services and probably made my money back pretty quickly. And then his son was with him that the tricolors were running with, which was very similar sized, just younger. So right around, I want to say the son was like 85 pounds. Well, he was beautiful. And we'll see what happens. So with getting another Billy on the farm, it means one thing. Billy's gotta go. Craig, who we decided to stay for a while, he's go leave. Bucky, as much as I like him and how calm he is, I mean, he's a very calm Billy. You can see him right there. I mean, he's just chill. He's beautiful. Nice horns, really relaxed. But the problem is, I think the previous owner let everyone know that he was a fainter, so everyone used to scare him and make him faint. Well, his legs they're kind of filled with arthritis. And if you ever see a goat move around with arthritis, it's not nice. And I can give him pain meds, but it's like, it's kind of hard. If anybody sees Arms Family, Homestead, they have Isaac, a Kiko buck who's really old. I don't think Bucky's at the same age, but he's got arthritis bad, and he's kind of come to his time. And Bucky, I think, is unfortunately coming to his time. If someone wants to pick him up and take him, that's fine, but more than likely not gonna happen by the time he goes. So we'll take Craig, we'll take Todd, which kind of hurts because I brought him back pretty much from death, but he is a Toggenburg, he's a dairy goat, and we're really, even though we have the dairy goats here and they've been bred with dairy goats, we'll end up moving them out or probably cross crossing them with the boars because I prefer a meat breed, to be honest. I know a lot of people do dairy out by us, but that's the thing. Everyone does dairy goats, and it's like the meat goat market out here is really good. And if you look at any statistics from Oklahoma State, I believe, what do you got to say? Are you hungry? Yeah, hungry. There's a few other places I'm trying to think of. It might be Nebraska, but I know Oklahoma State, maybe Mizzou, they released some numbers about how low the goat population is for meat production, and it's amazingly low. So this is something as a homesteader or as a farmstead or a farm to take up on, because that means those prices are going to be high for a while. And I don't want to be political here, but I'm going to be. When the country takes in a bunch of refugees, and we are a melting pot, I would be considered an immigrant too. Some of these places, they eat goat. And if we don't have the production, you know, we're not fulfilling the country's food needs. And that's how I'm going to put it. The country's food needs. So I'm going to try to fill in some of that void. So yeah, we'll take them to... Man, I keep rewinding. So, all right. So Craig, Bucky, Todd, all go to the auction on Monday. It'll be sad to see them leave, but at the same time too, I don't need to overwinter bucks. They'll all have kids coming out, so people will be relayed. Yeah, I could move the tree and trying to get in my garage. We can switch things around and have the dairy goat with the meat goat and the meat goat with the dairy, which I'm fine with the meat to dairy, but I really don't want the dairy to the meat. So we will get rid of them and have this Dapple here for fresh blood. And chicken, they always try to come in and then they all run around like loons in here, and they tend to destroy things. Hold on. Oh, that ruined where I was. Yes, birds, I'll be there in a second. Oh. So yeah, it kind of hurts, but at the same time too, it's okay. We'll leave the Dapple boar here and we'll keep him, and we will probably use him for a couple years. I will probably take any does out of him and we'll probably turn around and sell them. Any bucks we will weather and we'll grow those out, and we'll go that route. I think it's the best route for us. It's the best route. Yeah, it's the best route for the homestead or farmstead. The does, if they come out with moon spots and whatever, of course they'll sell for more. And there's always a place to sell those on Facebook and all this and that. There is another auction that does well that is keyed more to homesteading and small farms and hobby farms nearby, so they tend to go for a different price, especially on doelings that are like just weaned. So hopefully we get some good looking does out of these girls this year, because none of them will be related to that Dapple. So we'll keep all those. We'll keep the girls we have, except for Patch. Patch will be leaving. After she weans her kids, she'll be leaving because she's just too aggressive. If she has kids and she calms down, then okay, I'm willing to keep her, but she's way too aggressive. She's bringing out aggressiveness out of everyone else. But if she calms down, we'll keep her. Maybe with the bucks gone, she'll calm down. We'll see. All right. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Share with your friends. Leave a comment. Anything. Goat House is on hold right now. But we'll get back to it here soon. And we got to get ready for winter. It's coming. It's coming fast. It's going to be a long, harsh winter. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye.